more than just a car. It takes care of me, brightens up my days and nights, and opens up new possibilities. It makes me feel calm, extremely comfortable, and at all times connected. Sounds good, right? It doesn't just look after me. It also protects those around, is attentive, and most importantly, takes care of everyone. But I stay in control. And always set the right mood. It's my partner. One that knows what I like. And brings me to where I'd like to go next.